guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. I'm collabing with Sophia, who's an amazing model, and she also has a YouTube channel.
I do.
So if you guys are interested in checking her out, definitely check out the link in the description down below.
Lots of food.
Yes, food, fitness, lifestyle. It's a really cool channel. And we have Rolando doing her hair today, who's an amazing hairstylist here. Again, everyone's links will be in the description down below. Oh, I totally forgot. Anita is filming the video for me right now, and she's also going to be shooting today. So yeah, let's get started. Today's shoot was at White Point Beach in Los Angeles, which was the perfect location for the concept of the photo shoot. When I first messaged Sophia about this, she told me that she wanted to do something a little bit different than a regular lifestyle photo shoot in LA. She wanted something more dark and mysterious, so I went onto Pinterest and tried to look for some inspiration, and this is the Pinterest board that I came up with for her. The inspiration was this mysterious and dark mood with a lot of black fabric flowing in the wind, and I knew that I really wanted to shoot this on the beach and potentially have Sophia get in the water. For the outfit, I brought this satin black corset and high-waisted bikini bottoms and this super long fabric piece that's a little bit see-through. It's super light, so I knew it's gonna get picked up with the wind really nicely. And then for the hair, we decided to do a wet, sleek back look. Ooh, this side looks really nice. Okay, yeah, let's do this. I think maybe for first ones, just put it over your shoulders and you can have it just kind of like draped like that. Oh yeah, this is definitely the vibe that we were going for. Oh my God, this looks crazy. Whoa. I actually kind of like your boots. I kind of like it, right? Like, I don't mind them in the shot. We can do some without, but you can keep them on for right now. I think it looks awesome. Yes, yes. And I liked how you had that one leg even a little bit more on the... Yeah, yes, exactly. Oh, that looks amazing. Yes, that's really cool. Oh, that's really cool. I love that. That's really awesome. By the way, this whole photo shoot was shot on the Sony a7III and the G Master 24 to 70mm 2.8 lens. Get just a little bit closer to you, so more, don't worry too much about your, yes, yeah. Yeah, so you can definitely go higher with this and almost like get it over. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I'm even thinking if I grab like it on this side, we can have it. Oh, oh yes. Oh my God.
It's all the same. Can you help me? Can you help me feel okay?
This looks amazing. Try to keep your hands not too far, just because I'm shooting a portrait. Yeah. Yes, exactly. Wow. The wind is intense. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay, do not move, do not move. Stay like that. Don't move, that is intense. Yes, yes, like that, yes. Okay, I'm gonna just let it go. Oh yes, 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 that's too, oh my God, I love that. Okay, do not move, do not move. That is just amazing, wow.
Like a mermaid and she needs no air to breathe.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, now I'm thinking quickly, maybe if you sit on one of these rocks, maybe this one over there, because it's a little bit higher. And I'm thinking if you can sit somehow so I can see your boots, so kind of like something like this. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that thing makes it like so epic. Oh my goodness. With this water in the background. Oh yes, yes. Oh my God. Oh, oh my God. Stay like that.
By the way, it was extremely cold that day, so you'll see me trying to work really fast. I really did not want Sophia to freeze to death. We also had her bathrobe ready to go whenever she needed a break. Always take care of the model first.
Wow, but the light, oh my goodness. This looks crazy. Yes, 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 yes. I really like that. Yeah.
Hold on now, don't look down. Feeling tight, feeling tight.
Oh my goodness.
Feeling tight, feeling tight.
This is so pretty. It's so unlike like what I normally do, but I really love it. But I really love it. Yes, 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 yes. And I'm thinking, what if you drop it like just on your shoulders and just let it like fly to the side, like if you don't sit on it, or yeah, just this one side, yeah, yeah, exactly, like a cape kind of, yeah. Yes, yes, that's really cool. I want to get some of this lens flare. Oh yeah, amazing, amazing.
One last time. Feeling tight, feeling tight.
Oh yeah, that looks awesome. Yes. Yeah, that's perfect. What if you leave it just a little bit lower, kind of? Yeah. Oh, now she looks like a mermaid. It's kind of cool. Yes, 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 that's beautiful.
You keep telling yourself that you could be someone else, be someone else.
Here's Anita Sadowska taking the next couple shots. She is a super talented photographer and a YouTuber. If you guys are not following her yet, definitely check out her YouTube channel. She posts some amazing videos on there.
And then, would you mind if I get you to hold it? Yeah. Just kind of similar kind of at the bottom. Maybe. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. And maybe you can actually even come a bit closer, so it's kind of more towards me. Yeah. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah, that's beautiful. Actually, just even come closer. Yeah. Sorry. Thank you so much. Perfect. Actually, you know what? Let me hold it. Yeah, I'll hold it. Yeah. Thank you. Can you come a bit closer to me? Yeah. Thank you. Perfect. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. This wind is freaking strong. That's beautiful. Yeah. That's beautiful. Yes. Oh yeah, I love that. When you put your arm up like that, the sun goes kind of by your waist. That's amazing. Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, that's gorgeous. This is like so much wind. Oh my god, it's crazy. Can I grab you? Can I get you to like switch places with me and just come here? Thank you so much. Ah, that's beautiful. That's perfect. And can we put it down like kind of almost completely? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's beautiful. Can we wrap you just a tiny bit different, just in an area that is dry, hopefully. Maybe kind of similar to what Irene had at the beginning, but it's not as high. We can probably maybe untuck it, it's fine, and just grab it some. Oh, you poor thing. Maybe just kind of like down, like not as high under your shoulders, kind of like down off your shoulders, and just let it flow. Yeah, that's beautiful. And can we get like something like kind of, yeah, very hippie, so kind of, yeah, exactly. Beautiful. Yeah, that's actually lovely when you're kind of, because you're covering the light. Hair is all over the place, that's the only thing. It's just so windy. I know it's impossible. Thank you. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, I love that. Just watch the hand so it's not too spread. Yes, perfect. And can we hold this just out a tiny bit here, literally like that? Perfect. Oh my God, yes, love that. And yeah, yeah, perfect. And maybe put your hand down just a tiny bit. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, and look at me. Yeah, beautiful.
I'm over you. There's like an ocean in between us.
Oh, love that. Yeah, and chin down a bit. Yeah, perfect. Beautiful.
Baby, I don't wanna know why you calling my phone. Baby, I don't wanna know why don't you leave me alone.
Oh yeah, what you just did there with the hand like that was amazing.
For the next look, we changed into this red see-through nightgown with the black bathing suit underneath, and Sophia is going in the water. You guys, it was super, super cold. She is such a trooper for doing this. I hope all of you guys get amazing models like that are willing to do these crazy things for us photographers.
Girl, you're a trooper. Oh my God. Oh my God, don't laugh. You're not allowed to laugh right now. Shush. This girl is something.
She is.
Oh my God.
You want that shot.
Cool. Okay.
Like,
Okay, now we do need to get you out of the rock. It's just outside of the rocks because it's just like you can even come out the same, but you don't have to be in the actual water. You can be just a tiny bit more out here. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. And then maybe like one side, like one leg, kind of like out as well. Yes, it's kind of a bit more like yeah.
crawling out.
Like you're yeah, like you're crawling. Yeah, go for it.
And huge thank you again to Rolando for doing Sophia's hair and pretty much being our assistant for the day. We really needed that help.
Beautiful. That looks beautiful. That's beautiful. Yes. Can we make that? Can we push the end back? The ends? Yeah, perfect. Because they're just a bit fuzzy. Beautiful. That's amazing. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, that's lovely. I love that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's beautiful. Love that.
We got the world just like we used to. Believe in me, baby, when I say that I got cash, let's check out.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, I love that. That's gorgeous. And can I just get you one where you're just like on your knees, so you're sitting up a bit more. Oh, that looks amazing. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Come away with me and I'll erase the pressure. You're the only one I see and I love you.
And then finally, I shot some images of Sophia super, super quickly.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, I love it. I mean, this looks super, super beautiful. Let's see a little bit.
Wanna leave, so baby come and get away with me. You wanna go, you wanna leave.
All right, so we just finished our photo shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Again, don't forget to check out everyone involved in the shoot. Links will be down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, great. That's perfect. Wow, beautiful.